Today I am going to unbox and give an honest review of the Orient electric I-Tome BLDC ceiling fan after complete 1 year of use. I purchased this fan on Amazon in January 23 and now making this review video in February 24. When I purchased this fan it cost me around 3,000 rupees, but its current price is around 3,500 rupees. Being an energy-efficient fan, it consumes only 4 watt at base speed, and at highest speed it consumes 26 watt, where an induction fan consumes 75 watt. It is a 1200 mm fan weighing around 3.2 kilograms. Now let's see what we have in the box. This is the box containing the blades. We have the BEE 5-star rating over here on the box. Now let's open it. The blade looks sleek and stylish. Let's move this box aside and see the main box containing the motor. Here we have the main rod. These are the canopies. And here is the remote. Although it doesn't look that cool as compared to the others available in the market, we get 2 batteries with the remote, which is a good thing. Here we have 5 speed buttons with additional boost buttons. And it has 2 to 8 hours auto switch off timer button. And here is the warranty card and the user guide paper. And here comes the main attraction, the BLDC motor. It really looks elegant and sober. One disappointing thing is that no safety cable has been provided. Here is the nut, bolt and clamp. Now let's install the parts to get our fan ready to roll. Installation is just as normal as an induction fan. Wait for the main and important instruction. To operate this fan remotely, we need to make little change in our switchboard. We need to run the fan directly without regulator, so connect the fan's wire directly with the switch. Here comes the final moment. Let's see how the fan performs. I hope even you can hear the sweeping sound of the air. I am impressed. One important information I must give about this fan. It makes a disturbing ticking sound at low voltage, which is much more annoying at night. And now let's see and feel together how the fan runs after 1 year. Overall, I would say it is a good fan to buy, as the company has upgraded this fan a bit, with a new stylish remote. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like, subscribe and share.